Bitcoin got rejected again at $89,000. Let's talk about it. We can see here just in 1 hour, we can see we are here on the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin. Just a couple of hours ago, we pumped 89,300. We stayed there for maybe 3, 4, 5 hours and dropped in 1 hour back to $86,000. I mentioned already, be careful right now. It's not the time to go long. You can see already we predicted this move already in one of the previous videos. I showed you this arrow right here, perfectly called from my side. Congratulations to all of you who have been watching my videos. And I think now we are up for another drop. We can see here we still have this price target from the rising wedge pattern here, which would bring us to around $77,000. I think that's definitely still on the table here. We didn't break below this resistance here. So if we break above $94,000, this pattern will be invalidated. But for now, we are still in the breakdown from this pattern right here. We need to be very careful. Ethereum also right now going below $2,900, and our trade, I have to say, is doing quite well. Let me quickly pull up the trades here on my phone. We can see here Ethereum nicely up around 71%. Congratulations to all of you if you have been following. And our Doge trade is actually doing even better. Look at this. Our Doge trade is almost hitting here our take profit zone at 12 cents. Let me pull out the Doge trade here as well. Look at this. Doge performing very well, over 150% in profits. Quite amazing. If you have been doing these trades with me, thank you all for watching. Look at this, over 150% for the Doge short, doing quite amazing. If you have been watching my videos, congratulations to all of you. We are very close to the price targets for both, for Ethereum and for Doge. And as I mentioned in my previous video, move your stop loss into the profit zone. Now I would say you can move your stop loss somewhere around here, around 13 cents. Even if it goes back up, you would still make some nice profits. This trade is doing quite amazing. And I already mentioned in my previous videos, I think, by the way, the altcoins are reacting right now. I can see already that we will go much lower. So I would still keep a take profit here at 12 cents, and I would move another take profit probably to 11 cents, because I think the market will most likely go lower. Now let's quickly go back to Bitcoin and see. Yeah, once we break the zone here at $85,000, I think we will very fast go here to the $77,000. So during that time, altcoins will be very volatile and they will drop quite heavily. We can see also Solana here at around $121, guys. And you know how much I like Solana, but right now it's just not the right time to buy. Let's go over here on the weekly chart to see where we can buy some Solana. Here at $94, we might start to buy, but we can see Solana can go quite hard in case of a bear market. It went down 97% last time. It did also many X. Like if you would have bought the bottom, you could have made around 27X with Solana, which is quite amazing, but you have to be careful right now. I would start entering Solana with low leverage around $94 and maybe even lower. I would say maybe $50 might be a nice entry point for Solana. I know these prices, they sound a bit far out of reach, but trust me, I'm in the States for over 10 years. I saw already 3 cycles. I know how the market can react, and we can always go lower. When everybody thinks, yeah, we cannot go lower, that's when the altcoins will surprise you and they will go even lower. Look at this. Solana previous bull market, it went down to here 149, then another relief rally, another drop, another relief rally, and back another drop. Of course, you can trade these moves if you're using the right indicators. That can be very profitable for all of us. We are always, if I see some long opportunity, I would go also long, but for now I think the market is still gonna move to the downside. Let's see. We have also some support here at around $100 for Solana. We might have a bounce back from there. Let's see here on the weekly though. Solana is getting almost here oversold. It's not oversold yet, but it's slowly going there. And let's see. Last time Solana went into the oversold zone on the weekly, it was around, let's see it here, it was around $11. That was also the best point to buy Solana. So we are getting close to that point, guys. So I think probably $50 might be more likely. I don't think we will go as low as $10, but $50 probably. We have to watch the RSI here. On the daily, let's see, on the daily, are we already oversold or not yet? We can see we are also getting close there, but on the daily, we have to be more careful. It needs to be a little bit more oversold if you want to get the juicy price. Like here, it went to the 21 RSI. That's where we would like to buy on the daily at around. That might be the lowest it will most likely go. This was it for this video. Be careful, don't use too much leverage, always trade with proper risk management, don't use more than 1% or 2% per trade. Stay safe and have patience. There will be some very nice entry points for longs also coming. If you are already in the shorts, congratulations to all of you. Move your stop loss in the profit zone and always take profits. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.